Galing ka sa mga.
Okay na, okay na. Okay na, no? Okay na, na. Start na.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning.
So I'm Michael Anthony Kizon, and this is my co-instructor,
Angelo Morano.
So, before we start, can you tell me what can you say about the picture? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's correct. This is this is an injury because of the accident. So, to prevent this from happening on board while working, what should you wear? Anyone? Yes, Keno.
We must wear personal protective equipment.
Yes, that's correct. And that is our topic for today. Personal protective equipment. So, for today's objective, you as the students, at the end of the session, shall be able to identify the different types of PPE and explain the importance of PPE. So, Mr. Angelo will discuss about the types of PPE.
There are different types of PPE. One of the types, head protection, safety helmet, designed to protect head from potential hazard. Next, the second one, air protection. There are different types of air protection. Disposal maps, disposal foam plugs, molded ear plugs, and air maps. We have here air maps. Eye protection. Safeguard the eyes from flying objects, chemicals, parts, and harmful radiation, reducing the risk of eye injuries or vision damage. Example, safety goggles, and other are face shield or hand protection, the third one. Shield the hand from cuts, punctures, chemicals, heat, or harmful substance. Example, gloves. There are different types of gloves. Depends on the situation or the working procedure. Foot protection. Examples, safety shoes, or we call it steel toe to protect our feet from injuries. Body protection, or we call it examples, coveralls, protects body from low visibility, splashes, chemical exposure, and electrical arc flashes. Those are the 6 types of PPE or personal protective equipment.
So, that's all for the discussion. So, now we will be having a game. Are you ready to play a game?
Yes!
Okay. So, our game is relay and post-it. So, now, I will explain the mechanics. First, I will divide you into 2 groups. So, we are all 18. So, each group should be 9 members. Each group should have only 6 representatives. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other 3 members will be cheer squad. So this is what's gonna happen. The first, you will line up group 1, group 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 1, after the game begins, so the number 1 will wear the life jacket. This. And after he wears the life jacket, he will run, turn around in the chair, and pick 1 paper. This paper have name of the equipment. So, for example, ear muffs or helmet. So he will get a tape, then we will provide a PPE here, a helmet, body, shoes and gloves. So you will stick this one into the proper equipment. Then after you stick this one, you will go to number 2. Then you will give this one. And the number 2 will
Same procedure.
same procedure.
Turn.
Yes.